authentic. Dinala kami ng aming mga host sa isang authentic restaurant dito sa Thailand. Hindi yung mga mamahaling restaurant, hindi yung nasa hotel, not the ones in the city, pero yung parang karinderya nila. In fact, para sa mga estudyante siya. Hindi siya air-conditioned, al fresco lang, nasa labas lang. Tapos yung mga plato simple. Sabi ng mga host namin dito, yan authentic yan. At totoo naman, nung tinikman ko yung tom yum, yung pad thai, at kung ano-ano pa meron dito, ay masasabi ko talagang lasang hindi commercialized. Ito talaga kinakain ng mga Thai. At mura pa kasi doon nga sa tabi-tabi na kainan. Pati nga drinks dito katulad ng Coca-Cola ay talagang nakatranslate pa sa Thai. Nasa glass bottle pa. Nakakatuwa. Yung food talaga nakaka-immerse sa local culture. So pag sinabing authentic, di ba? Ibig sabihin totoo siya. If we use it in other terms, ibig sabihin hindi peke, hindi imitation, genuine, real. Siguro i-relate ko na rin to sa ating buhay. What is your authentic self? Yung ikaw talaga, kung sino ka. At naririnig din natin yung phrase na magpakatotoo ka, huwag kang plastic. And others would interpret na kung sino sila, ay yun yung masamang version nila. Sinasabi nila, ganito talaga ako, mayabang ako. At least hindi ako plastic. Ganito talaga ako, mainitin ang ulo ko. Ganito talaga ako, prangka. Sasabihin ko kahit nakakasakit. Ganito talaga ako, mabisyo. It's as if they're claiming that their authentic selves is the worst part of them. Pero alam mo, yung authentic self talaga is how God made us. God made us to be good. But also God gave us the freedom to choose. At madalas pag ang pinipili natin ay yung kasalanan, we tend to think that that's who we are. Pero ang totoo nun, we are made in God's image and likeness. That's authentic. That's the intent. That's the original. And so when we are actually doing good, that's our authentic selves. When we're helping others, that's who we truly are. Who we truly are is to become more and more like Christ. Because Christ is the authentic human. He is 100% human and the best version of ourselves. Kaya when you do Christ-like things, nagpapakatotoo ka. You are being authentic. We need to temper ourselves from our impulses of anger, impulses of talking about others, o magchichismis, impulses of hurting others' feelings, kasi hindi talaga ikaw yan. To pursue holiness, that's who you truly are. So that is why God never tires of forgiving our sins, kasi lahat tayo may pag-asang magbago. All of us have a hope to become truly who we are. Kaya magpakatotoo ka.